And now from ADC2, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Cold day out there. Take a look at a little time-lapse photography. It's been years since we've seen the harbor start to freeze up. And notice the ice line going past the docks right now. So, you know, with temperatures that'll be into the single digits next several nights, we'll see if the entire inner harbor can get a sheet of ice as we go into late this weekend and into early next week. Here's a live shot in Bel Air right now in high definition. Looking good, but notice the roads are kind of wet. So with temperatures falling rapidly tonight, the idea of black ice is certainly on the table. Be careful out there. And here's, of course, the shot downtown right now with the sun setting. It's 15 at BWI right now. A gusty northwesterly wind coming in at 13, so that's making that wind chill feel like 1 degree right now. In fact, temperatures tonight are going to be into the single digits rapidly. When we're back on at ABC News at 11 o'clock, we're going to be at around 9 degrees and 6 degrees for the overnight going into tomorrow morning. This 15 we recorded today at BWI, coldest high temperature since 1961, so some bone-chilling colds. Not going to touch records. The record overnight low is -7. That was set back in 1984. Central Maryland numbers range into the teens to the north and west. 15 as you get through Hanover and Annapolis, 17 degrees. A gusty northwesterly wind between 5 to 10. That's producing these wind chill values that are into the single digits. A negative number right now in Ellicott City. It feels like it's 0 as you get up into Bel Air. So there's nothing on Maryland's most powerful weather radar. There's our big storm system departing over southeastern Canada. This is a huge storm bombing out, could produce 70-mile-per-hour winds over Nova Scotia, and then out to the west, more snow showers in all this, which is associated with a Clipper system moving through the Ohio Valley, and that's going to be in here by tomorrow afternoon, and that could produce some snow showers. But the real story is the cold that's locked in. 0 right now in Minneapolis, 14 State College. You go up towards New York City, that's 17 degrees, and these temperatures 20 to 30 degrees below where we should be for this time of the year. And look at wind chills right now. Feels like it's 32 degrees below 0 in Fargo in the northern plains. So the cold air continues to pour down. Jet stream well down to the south in response to this polar vortex that's set up just to the south of Hudson Bay. And that's going to lock in the cold for the next 7 to 10 days, if you can believe that, with some moderations from time to time as we get into the next 7 days. So one Clipper system out to the west, that moves in our direction by tomorrow afternoon. There's the possibility of an isolated dusting. We're going to take a break from the storms, and then another storm's going to set up by Saturday afternoon, and that could bring more snow showers, and then another system that's up towards British Columbia and up towards the northwestern tundras of Canada. We'll talk more about that in the 7-day forecast. So future weather showing single digits to around 10 in the city. Snow showers developing well out to the west. That's going to be in here tomorrow afternoon. Could be a light dusting well to the north and west of the city, but daytime highs only into the 20s and then teens once again Thursday night into Friday. But again, it could be a dusting, especially north and west of the city as that Clipper system moves in our direction. It's dangerously cold tonight, folks. Temperatures into the single digits, maybe 12 in the city. Tomorrow afternoon, snow showers developing for our far northwestern suburbs. In the city by late tomorrow afternoon with temperatures that'll be into the 20s, and we're stuck in the 20s through at least Friday. Maybe the 30s by Saturday, but then another Clipper system is going to bring even colder air as we get into next week. There's 3 storm systems on the boards. The Sunday into Monday storm is a very interesting storm. It's going to depend on strength and how much moisture it could pick up from the Atlantic. Maybe we're dealing with, at worst, another system that could bring accumulating snows, but we're locked into a pretty stormy pattern. Yeah.